It's a 2017 Toyota Highlander. Every drive is an exciting opportunity because your next favorite memory is just waiting to be made. It comes with great features you love: continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, in-tune, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.